Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, select Advanced at the bottom, scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, click on the best option for you to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!